Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to keep Task Manager always on top in Windows 11 or in your Windows 10. Now this should be a quick and easy tutorial video. As always, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. Now just right click on your taskbar, click on Task Manager, and then after that just go ahead, click on the gear icon as you can see right there. And then just go ahead, scroll down at the right side, and then just check mark always on top. So now this window will always be on top. If you go ahead, open up any other app or browser, it will always be at the bottom or under it, as you can see. So now your Task Manager window is always on top on your Windows 11 or 10 PC. And this was an easy and quick tutorial video, and I hope this video was helpful. As always, thank you for watching.